Alphabets, capital and small letter. Capital A, small A for apple. Capital B, small B for ball. Capital C, small C for car. Capital D, small D for dog. Capital E, small E for elephant. Capital F, small F for fish. Capital G, small G for goat. Capital H, small H for hen. Capital I, small I for ice cream. Capital J, small J for joker. Capital K, small K for kite. Capital L, small L for lion. Capital M, small M for monkey. Capital N, small N for nest. Capital O, small O for orange. Capital P, small P for parrot. Capital Q, small Q for queen. Capital R, small r for rabbit. Capital S, small s for sunflower. Capital T, small t for tiger. Capital U, small U for umbrella. Capital V, small V for van. Capital W, small W for watch. Capital X, small x for X-ray. Capital Y, small y for yak. Capital Z, small z for zebra. ओके, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।